most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Man, what a day we had yesterday. Several tornado warnings across the area, severe weather, and overnight we had more. In fact, let's play the loop for you here. We're going to play it out here. Notice in Franklin County it started just over midnight. Then it started to push through the Harrisburg area at about 2:30, 3 o'clock, and then it moved up into Schuylkill County with one trailing in Lebanon. So I took some video of that storm rolling through. Let's show you that here now, because what you can see is some very ominous clouds. This was right before the storm hit in central Pennsylvania with some wind, and then the skies just started to open up. It was pouring rain, a lot of lightning with this here over uptown Harrisburg, and again, probably woke some of you up. So it was a good torrential downpour with some thunder, some lightning, and some gusty winds here. This was at about 2:30 this morning. Pretty juicy stuff. Let's take you back to yesterday, though, because you can see some storm reports. And by the way, this is what we would call an outbreak. Look at all of the funnel clouds and tornado reports across the state yesterday. Specifically, let's zoom into our area, parts of Perry County, northern Dauphin County, and even Steelden reporting funnel clouds yesterday. One was in Millerstown at about 3:30, a report of a funnel cloud for about 15 seconds with a developed mesocyclone. That's a small rotation within the core of a thunderstorm. Don't know if that one touched down. There was another funnel cloud in Elizabethville at 4 o'clock for about 15 to 20 seconds, and thunderstorm wind damage in Liverpool, Perry County. They had several reports of wind damage there, reports of trees and wires down, and then in Gratz, multiple poles down along with multiple trees down across Likens Township, estimated at about 4:38 yesterday. So lots of damage, some funnel cloud reports, several tornado warnings, and even confirmed tornadoes touching down on the ground in parts of Pennsylvania yesterday. Now this morning, we already are adding to our rain totals here, about 4/10 in Wildwood Park. That was the same cell that I just showed you there with the video I took this morning. 66 Penn State, Mount Alto. Rainfall over 3/10 of an inch for Enola and the Capital City Airport. Speaking of Enola, skies are trying to clear out now, but they were getting some rain earlier. 67, a dew point of 66. It is muggy, and they had just shy of 4/10 of an inch of rain. Little visibility issue here in our northwest, perhaps some fog developing. Lancaster down to about 5 miles, so you may see that, especially in the wake of those storms. 86 the high yesterday. The normal now is 87. This is our warmest time of the year statistically, and today happens to be the highest temperature ever recorded in Harrisburg at 107 back in 1966. We had a half inch of rain yesterday from the storms, but we still have over a 4-inch deficit. So these storms are helping, at least with the lawns and the gardens, but we still haven't made up our deficit yet. So occasional showers and storms are likely here to pass through again later today. Temperatures right now are in the 60s and 70s. It's these high dew points that are likely going to aid in developing more bad weather later today, because it is going to feel tropical. I mean, yesterday, if you were outside for any bit of time, you just kind of felt it in the air, didn't you? And today, more of the same. We have a trough yet to swing through. Lots of severe weather watch boxes yesterday. So we have our eye on today because we do expect more severe weather. This is the cold front. There will be more thunderstorms, more humidity possible as we move into the afternoon. So really hard to time these things out. Anytime from lunchtime through into the afternoon and into the evening, some of these discrete cells could form and cause damaging winds, hail, and even some brief tornadoes. Tomorrow, there could be a pop-up shower or a storm early in the afternoon, but I think by the time we head into fireworks time, it should be okay. So a slight risk for severe weather, mainly across the southeast portion of the viewing area, but I think we should all be on guard today for some hail, torrential rain, damaging winds, and yes, even a few brief tornadoes. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center highlights the East Coast here for that tornado threat into the evening hours. So we need to keep our guard up today. Notice the 5-day forecast does show the potential for very close to a heat wave. Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to be in the 90s. It also shows that our dew points are going to stay pretty healthy through the next week. So get used to this heat and humidity. And one more quick check of the forecast. I want to show you the fireworks for Harrisburg tomorrow night, 9:15. I think it's going to be hot and humid with temperatures in the mid-80s. But as I mentioned, I think those thunderstorms are going to roll through here. So a pretty good looking night for the Harrisburg fireworks. We're going to be on guard for the severe thunderstorms later today. It will be humid tomorrow as well. Allie, I think we'll stay dry Wednesday and Thursday, but more storms could roll through here now as another trough swings in Friday and stalls out over the weekend. So these hit or miss showers and storms certainly playing with our weekends, but we still need the rain. It's been good to get it. We could do without the severe weather though. Yesterday, a lot of damage reports and some funnel clouds being sighted across the mid-state.
I had a fan on this morning and I woke up and I thought, is that rain or is that the fan? I'm like, oh no, that's rain.
Yeah,
I mean, it was bad.
It was a juicy one.
All right. Thank you, Brett. It is time for this morning.